Hello to my dear English learners. Today we are going to learn Unit 7, Present Perfect, I have done, Part 1. Here we go.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key.
Tom kalitini qidirayapti. Uni topa olmayapti. U kalitini yo'qotgan.
He has lost his key.
U kalitini yo'qotgan va kalit unda hali ham yo'q.
Have, has, lost, present perfect.
Hozirgi tugallangan zamonning yasalish shakli.
They have finished.
Ular tugatishgan.
She has done.
U qilgan.
Present perfect.
Ning yasalish shakli.
Have, has, plus past participle.
O'tgan zamon sifatdoshi. O'tgan zamon sifatdoshi odatda
Ed.
bilan tugaydi.
Finished, decided.
Ammo ko'p fe'llar noto'g'ri fe'llardir.
Lost, done, been, written.
They haven't lived here for years.
Ular bu yerda yillar davomida, ya'ni anchadan beri yashamaydilar.
To'g'ri fe'l.
She has worked in the bank for 5 years.
U bankda 5 yildan beri ishlaydi.
To'g'ri fe'l.
The clock has just struck 12.
Soat hozirgina 12 ni zang chaldi.
Noto'g'ri fe'l.
I have done all my homework.
Men barcha uy vazifalarimni bajarganman.
Noto'g'ri fe'l.
Present perfect.
Yangi ma'lumot berish yoki yaqinda sodir bo'lgan voqeani ma'lum qilish uchun qo'llaniladi.
Ow! I've cut my finger.
Voh! Qo'limni kesib oldim.
The road is closed. There's been an accident.
Yo'l yopilgan. U yerda baxtsiz hodisa sodir bo'lgan.
Present perfect.
Qo'llanilganda hozirgi zamon bilan doim aloqa yoki bog'liqlik bor. O'tmishdagi ish harakatning hozirgi zamonda natijasi mavjud.
Where's your car key?
I don't know. I've lost it.
Mashinangning kaliti qayerda?
Bilmayman. Uni yo'qotganman. Ya'ni hozir menda kalit yo'q.
He told me his name, but I've forgotten it.
U menga ismini aytgandi, lekin men uni unutibman. Bu degani hozir uning ismi esimda yo'q.
Is Sally here?
No, she's gone out.
Sally shu yerdami? Yo'q, u chiqib ketgan. Hozir u yo'q, u tashqarida.
I can't find my bag. Have you seen it?
Sumkamni topa olmayapman. Uni ko'rmadingizmi? Ya'ni uning hozir qayerdaligini bilasizmi?
Present perfect.
Zamonini
Just, already, yet.
ravishlari bilan qo'llash mumkin.
Just.
Endigina, hozirgina, biroz oldin.
Would you like something to eat?
No thanks. I've just had lunch.
Biror narsa yeysizmi? Yo'q, rahmat. Hozirgina tushlik qildim.
Hello. Have you just arrived?
Salom. Hozirgina keldingizmi?
Already.
Allaqachon. Shuningdek, unit 110 ga qarang.
Don't forget to send a letter, will you?
I've already sent it.
Xatni jo'natish esingdan chiqmasin, xo'pmi? Uni allaqachon jo'natganman.
What time is Mark leaving?
He's already gone.
Mark qachon ketadi? U allaqachon ketgan.
Yet.
Hali hozirgacha. So'zlovchining biror narsaning sodir bo'lishini kutayotganligini ko'rsatadi. Faqat so'roq va inkor gaplarda qo'llaniladi. Shuningdek, unit 110 ga qarang.
Has it stopped raining yet?
Yomg'ir hali tugamadimi?
I've written the letter, but I haven't sent it yet.
Xatni yozdim, lekin hali jo'natganim yo'q.
Gone to.
Va
Been to.
larning farqiga e'tibor bering.
Jason is away on holiday. He has gone to Spain.
Jason ta'tilga chiqqan. U Ispaniyaga ketgan.
Hozir u Ispaniyada yoki u yerga borish yo'lida.
Jason is back home from holiday now. He has been to Spain.
Jason hozir ta'tildan uyga qaytib keldi. U Ispaniyada bo'ldi.
U Ispaniyadan qaytib keldi.
Been to.
Ni shuningdek, unit 8 va 125 dan qarang. Ushbu unitdagi misollarda
Past simple. Did. Went. Had.
va hokazo zamonini ham qo'llashingiz mumkin. Demak, quyidagicha deyish mumkin.
Is Sally here?
No, she went out. No, she's gone out.
Sally shu yerdami? Yo'q, u chiqib ketgan.
Are you hungry?
No, I just had lunch. No, I've just had lunch.
Qorning ochmi? Yo'q, hozirgina tushlik qildim. Unit 7 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi leksika uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarni yechishingiz mumkin. Like va kommentlar esdan chiqmasin. Omad!